Let me ask you a question. Are you ready to create consistent and predictable income? Have you tried to launch a program and no one actually enrolled or signed up? Are you consistently finding yourself going live or posting on social media, but you're not necessarily building an email list? Are you enrolling after program after program after program and not getting the results? Well, I know exactly how you feel. My name is DeKesha Williams, your virtual COO, and I teach coaches and consultants how to get clients and create consistent cash flow, specifically using webinars. Now, I created this short case study video to really show you how to get clients and create cash flow when you really don't have a large following. And I'm so excited. All you have to do is click the link below in order to get access. It's absolutely free, right? So go ahead now and just click the link below or go to createconsistentrevenue.com, createconsistentrevenue.com. And again, my name is DeKesha Williams, your virtual COO. Be passionate, be purposeful, but more importantly, be profitable. I'll see you there.